Have you ever felt like the hours in your workday vanish without getting anything really done? You're not alone. But what if the secret to doubling your productivity wasn't about working harder, but smarter, with the right gadgets? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best office gadgets that boost your productivity in 2025. And trust us, number 1 is an absolute game changer that'll make you rethink your entire workflow. Stay till the end because every gadget in this list is backed by cutting-edge tech and real-world results, and we've got the links to grab them with the best deals in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. Excel Shortcut Keys. Mousepad by Branteris. This might look like an ordinary desk mat, but for office warriors, it's a silent time-saving hero. Branteris's Excel Shortcut Mousepad is more than just a workspace accessory, it's a built-in cheat sheet for productivity. Measuring a generous 31.5 by 11.8 inches, it gives your desk a sleek professional look and teaches you time-saving Excel commands on the fly. Designed with ultra-smooth Lycra and an anti-slip base, this mat gives your mouse precision gliding and eliminates frustrating slips. It's washable, durable, and ergonomic, perfect for analysts, students, and even casual spreadsheet users. Why it's number 5. It's simple, smart, and instantly increases workflow speed. No learning curve, no software, just better focus. Number 4. LED desk lamp with clamp and remote. It's late evening, your eyes are strained, and your desk feels like a dark cave. That's where this LED desk lamp becomes your productivity savior. Engineered for professionals, students, and late-night creators, this architect-style lamp offers 25 light combinations, including 5 color temps and brightness levels. Whether you're designing, studying, or in a Zoom call, you get the perfect light for the moment. Thanks to the 360-degree gooseneck and wireless remote, you'll never need to fumble with switches or compromise your setup. It's eye-safe, flicker-free, and built for real, all-day use. Why it's number 4? Because lighting isn't just about seeing, it's about focusing. And this smart lamp literally shines when it comes to keeping your eyes and brain in sync. 3. Glorang Inkless Portable Printer. Imagine you're rushing to a meeting or working from a cafe, and suddenly you need to print a last-minute contract. No ink, no problem. Introducing the Glorang Inkless Portable Printer, a compact Bluetooth-enabled thermal printer that fits in your backpack, weighs just 3 pounds, and prints up to 360 pages on a single charge. What makes it incredible? It's completely inkless. Using thermal tech, this printer eliminates cartridges, saving money and mess. Just load the thermal paper, connect via Bluetooth or USB, and print from your phone or laptop with the PrintGo app. Why it's number 3? It's portable, efficient, and tailor-made for the modern digital nomad. You'll never miss a deadline because of a broken office printer. Number 2. Elgato Stream Deck. The average worker loses hours each week to clicking around apps and repeating the same shortcuts. The Elgato Stream Deck Mini fixes that with a single tap. This pocket-sized device has customizable LCD keys that can be programmed for almost any action. Launching Zoom, muting your mic, opening apps, sending emails, switching PowerPoint slides, or even playing your Spotify playlist. It's like giving your desk its own brain. With multi-action setups, you can assign entire workflows to one button, one tap, done. Why it's number 2? Because automation isn't just for coders. This puts pro-level efficiency into anyone's hands, from office execs to freelancers. Number 1. Logitech MX Keys S. At the top of our list is a productivity powerhouse, the Logitech MX Keys S Combo, a wireless keyboard and mouse duo designed for precision, speed, and comfort. The keyboard delivers a fluid, laptop-style typing experience with spherically dished keys that adapt to your fingers. It's backlit, smartly illuminates as your hands approach, and lets you automate tasks with smart actions via Logi Options Plus. Paired with the MX Master 3S mouse, you get mag speed scrolling, 1,000 lines per second, and pinpoint tracking even on glass. It's engineered for 8K DPI precision and sculpted to reduce wrist strain during long hours. Multi-device and check. Eco-friendly? Check. Fast switching between devices? Absolutely. Why it's number 1? Because everything, From typing to scrolling to switching devices becomes seamless, comfortable, and supercharged. It's the best investment you can make in your productivity setup. From smarter lighting to instant printing, from shortcut automation to next-level typing, these 5 gadgets aren't just cool, they're built to make your day easier, faster, and more. Ready to transform your workspace in 2025? Every product featured here is linked below with some of the best prices you'll find. Click the links in the description, pick what fits your needs best, and get ready to work smarter, not harder. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity gear reviews, and share it with someone who needs a desk upgrade. Until next time, stay productive.